we got you a signed shirt from all the players as well.
And I'm going to be 4 to left on the car.
Here you go. You can have that.
Keep it clean.
What do you say?
I'll keep it in my room.
What do you say, Lark?
Get a nice frame for that. No problem.
Have you got a picture?
Alright.
Yeah, you got it.
I'll get it framed in my room, innit?
You get it
Yeah, you get it framed if you want.
Yeah, all the boys are on there.
Where's Bill?
Vale. Who's that?
Gareth.
Oh, my girlfriend.
I don't know which
Not
one
sure.
it is.
Look for number 11, yeah. He's on there somewhere, you'll find him.
You'll have to study it.
Oh yeah, you just ask him when he comes down in a minute.
Yeah.
Hi guys, you alright? Enjoy training this morning?
Yeah.
You okay?
You having
Do I
lunch?
have a touch of the ball in training?
Did I? I think I've got one touch, yeah.
Did he not know what you wanted?
Good one.
Yeah, you had a player cam on him.
They'll have a good back, didn't
He always everything he does is good, though, isn't it? To be fair to him, everything he does is good. Are you eating lunch with us?
he?
Yeah? What are you going to have?
Everything.
Yeah, you hungry?
Food's good,
No,
eh?
I'm just greedy. Good night, Dad.
Who guys support?
I support Liverpool.
Liverpool, yeah? So you like Joe Allen? Yeah. What you?
Ben Davis.
Ben Davis. You're a Tottenham fan, are you?
Yeah.
Ah, yeah. Yeah? So you still like Gareth, though? Yeah?
Yeah, Fabio plays for Cardiff.
You looking forward to the game tomorrow?
Yeah.
What do you think the score will be?
2-0, 2-1 or 1-0.
And who do you think's going to score?
Bill and someone else.
That's Williams, off corner.
I scored
No, you
from-
don't want- you don't think-
I scored in top corner. I scored from corner before.
Have you?
Yeah.
Straight in?
Straight in, yeah.
Not much pressure.
James has waited a long time for this.
Oh, I've been through thick and thin to get here, boys.
We had here when we started.
Yeah.
I had a lot of here when we started.
2 more weeks. 2 hours. 2 hours.
We didn't score.